Oh, dude, he shot him in the dick.
All right, at Warzone Airsoft. Got G-Unit, some of ATS, a bunch of other people's. Shablam. That should be enough. Oh yeah, I'm testing out the Stryker battle belt and dump pouch.
Adventures in Airsoft?
Yeah.
How's it going, sir?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good.
How you been?
Pretty good. Upgraded gear just a little bit, but.
Okay. I like the AK.
Thank you.
It's looking good.
I still have your patch. If I knew you were out here, I'd stick it on my helmet.
Oh, it's all good, man. I actually just ordered a whole new batch of helmets, or not helmets, patches and stickers.
Nice.
Eventually, maybe I'll order helmets. Dude.
Oh no. Oh, I thought someone broke their box mag.
Yeah. What? Are we in a group? Yeah, we're in a group. What's up, man?
What's going on?
How you been?
In there?
Jealous of that air conditioning.
Me too.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get one of those for my jug suit too. Eventually. Juggy jugs. Shoo-bee-bee-bee-boo. It's a good mix of people. That sounded empty.
Yep. This is a fun game here. I'm not single.
Yeah.
Taking my fat ass to Mickey D. Yeah, baby.
Huh. You know what? You're not allowed to appropriate my culture, buddy. That's our words, all right? Those are our words. I'm gonna tell Spike. That's what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna take my fat ass to McDonald's. He probably has a six-pack. Yeah, exactly. He has a six-pack of abs.
I got a keg, and I mean.
Same here. There's a lot of six-packs in there.
Drink beer. It's kegs, kegs.
Yeah, and pony kegs. Yeah.
I think he's full-blooded Irish because he went to Ireland.
Ireland. That does seem like a fun place. I'm sure they got airsoft there.
Yeah. They have big airsoft in England.
Yeah? That's what I hear.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
Eh.
I don't think I'm ever going to go to England to try out airsoft.
I will eventually. I got family there.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Game on! In city. Whoa. They're shooting at us. Inside the churchy thing. We got two right there inside that building. Watch me run.
We got brothers coming back. Yep. Hey, good.
Say what?
You got a good line.
Okay.
Then you can step out.
Okay. I'm pinned down. All right, we got someone with a DMR in that white building right in front of us. I'm not reaching them. Hey, building right here. Yep. Ah, hit. Good shot, brother. What's up, buddy? All right, that's one. Well, I like your getup, the SCP stuff.
Yeah.
It's badass.
Today's Tampa Bay Comic-Con, and I figured, you know, if I wasn't gonna go to Comic-Con, I figured I'd at least cosplay.
There you go. A bunch of us airsofters went last year in all of our airsoft gear.
Yeah.
Next year we're gonna do the same thing, but
Well,
takes a little bit of planning.
well, let's see. We got MegaCon coming up in February, I think.
I like MegaCon.
Yeah, I think MegaCon's better.
Yeah, I usually go to the horror conventions though.
No, SCP fits there too. So.
SCP definitely fits there. All right, I hear people shooting our direction.
Sounds like you got an SMG or an LMG.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah, they're shooting at us from right there.
Excuse my language.
You're good, bud. I feel your pain. Last time here, my motor had like some corrosion on it that just had to be sanded down. Wouldn't fire, but it took like 3 seconds of sanding and it was fixed. So aggravating. But I'm grateful that it's fixed.
Adventures with Airsoft?
Yep.
We actually met at CIA
Yeah.
a couple while back.
Oh, well, good to meet you again, bro.
High Kappa, the rail was gold.
Oh,
Yeah, I was with that other kid. The other one has the mask that was gray.
okay. Well, I'm glad you made it out here, man.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been about a year and a half.
I hear you. It happens with airsoft, man.
Well, work hates me, so.
Yeah. Believe me, I know. I'm putting in overtime tonight.
Big money.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to make my way over to Orion. Ah, hit. Damn it, I was just about to say hi. Good shot, brother. Ah, thank you. Yeah, it's the smallest dump pouch you'll ever see. Ooh, I almost walked right into that. That's awesome.
We're flanking right now.
Well,
Yeah, if any of you guys want to come and join us,
yeah,
follow me.
I've been going right this whole time.
Yeah, they're going down the center right now. I just saw like 5 dudes going down the center. So.
Okay.
If we can outflank them from the right,
That's right.
I got a good chance. They're going shallow right or far right?
I don't know. He's our point man.
Lead the way.
Yeah. All right, be careful, guys. They're shooting over here.
All right, let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
One.
You guys ready?
3, go.
3, go.
Go. Watch out. How's that close? Towards the building. Go.
All right. Good call, brother. First shot of the day. I had to sprint to get it. Okay. We got one right here too. Good call, brother. He got me with like 9 ricochets, but no direct hits. I got one down up here. I don't see anything else on the right. One moving right. Moving right. Moving right. Watch your right, guys.
Hey, we're shifting to your left. We're going to try to get that objective.
Okay, watch your right. Blind man! Blind man, hold your fire! Blind man!
Hey, find out if it's blind man or from Mississippi.
I heard blind man.
Yeah, maybe not Mississippi.
I don't know, I heard it from over there. I'm like a parrot, bro. I hear someone yell blind man, I just start yelling. Game on! Let's kill each other! Yeah! Good call, brother!
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Oh, dude, you shot him in the dick. Huh? That's not cool, Butters. You don't shoot a guy in the dick.
Well, I was just trying to stop him and you said...
It doesn't matter, Butters. You never shoot a guy in the dick. Everyone knows that. Shooting a guy in the dick? That's just weak. I can't believe you, Butters.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Good call, brother. Oh my God, I pulled an Orion and shot someone in the beans. Oh, he was wearing shorts too. I'm so sorry, bro. That was messed up.
I got 2. 50 feet ahead.
Oh, good call, brother. Oh, I hit. Good shot. Oh, I thought I could move. I saw you got hit. I'm not fast enough.
The head and in the neck.
Yeah, he got all my arm. I think I shot a BB up somebody's shorts.
No.
I actually feel bad about that. My scope cam on?
That's a kill. A kill.
Oh my God, my scope cam is on. I hope I caught that.
Dude, I want to see that video.
Just for that guy's sake. I mean, if you get shot in the beans, you may as well be able to laugh about it, you know?
Oh, dude, I scared my wife so bad last night with your fucking, your death whistle fucking video.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was showing my buddy Jacob, and my wife sitting there. I didn't even realize she was like still awake.
Really?
But she's half awake, and then she just hears. She goes, "What the fuck is that?"
That's awesome.
I was like, "That's Drew's death whistle."
I got it with me.
Where you get them on Amazon?
Yeah, they're like 17 bucks.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, not at all.
I'll look them up. There's
Aztec death whistle. Yeah, just look for one that looks like this. This is the loudest one, apparently.
that's not good.
Wheel! I'm alive again. All right, now I'm gonna go terrorize people with the Aztec death whistle. Yeah, I think I shot the ref instead of the guy I wanted to shoot.
What is that?
Aztec death whistle. See, what I need to do is get this mounted here so that every time I shoot it, it goes wah, wah.
Oh, that's one of them death whistle things, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
What I heard, I was like,
It's me. Whoa. Here. Yeah.
right here, seeing pretty far out. You can hit that butt.
You never know. Good call, brother. Damn, this thing will fly. I do have distance with this. Yeah, man, the Mott's, baby. It's not just for applesauce. I'm glad someone got that joke. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I was looking over here. I was like, oh God, there's a ghost.
Right there, but I walked.
There's a ghost laughing at my joke. That's awesome. Beep, whoop. Okay. Pretty much straightforward. I think pretty much like 12 o'clock. Oh, good call, brother. Sorry. Sorry. They're dead. Okay, I took 2 guys out from center, so I mean, we should be okay. Let me get a fresh mag. Yeah.
Got your breath. We're not gonna stop moving for a good minute. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Inside. Go.
Wait, is that your spawn? I'm sorry if that's your spawn. My bad. I think we're pretty damn close to their spawn.